Greeting. It is an honor and pleasure to meet you and get to know you guys in America. I'm Ryan, the leader of Group 1. Here are my 5 group mates, 5 gorgeous ladies: Ada, Olivia, Lucy, Murphy, and Vera.
This is Shijiazhuang from language school and we are from class 2, senior 2.
We are a big family and we have 43 students in our class, but we only have 6 boys. Do you think it's very unusual?
Well, next we'll show you something special about ourselves. Hope you like it.
In this video, we are gonna talk about our Chinese culture, our foods, and our festivals.
There are also something about our daily life and daily schedule, and we'll also read some questions to get to know about you. And here come my classmates.
Everybody say hi. Hi.
We arrive at school at 7 o'clock every day, and then we will have our morning reading. We read aloud and recite both Chinese and English passages.
After the morning reading, we are going to take our lessons. There are 5 periods in the morning, and this is our time schedule. After the second one, we always run for 15 minutes. And this is our board writing about physics. Now it's 1 o'clock and we're enjoying our midday rest, which is from 12 o'clock to 2. And now I'd like to show you our time schedule. As you can see, we have 4 courses, and then we'll have supper.
We often have a supper at about 5:40 p.m. And in our canteen, we can have some dishes, noodles, or others additional foods. There are many people in our canteen.
Look at the clock. It's 6 p.m. at night, but why are we still at school? That's because in China we have night study from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. 5 days a week. What we do is basically doing homework at school, and to be honest, it's miserable.
A lot we can talk about Chinese food. To be honest, the Chinese dishes on American Chinese menus are not Chinese eat for meals. So let us show you some of the food the Chinese like.
Hi! Now let me show you some kinds of Chinese noodles. Different provinces have different kinds of Chinese noodles. Donkey fat is a well-known snack originated in Hebei province. It tastes fat but not greasy.
Youtiao is a kind of traditional Chinese food. In English, you may call it deep-fried roast sticks. We often eat it with soybean milk, like girlfriend and boyfriend. They can be spreaded.
A candy how is a traditional Chinese snack which is made of fruits and candies, tasting sweet, sour, and cold.
When weather gets colder, our families get together and have a hot pot. Just put the raw materials in the boiling water till the food can be eaten, then enjoy it. That's all. Bye.
I'm going to introduce some Chinese traditional festival to you.
The Spring Festival arrives on the first day of the first lunar month. The family eat dumplings and in the sort of fireworks. The children get lucky money from their parents and relatives.
The Lantern Festival, which is held half a month later, is a time to get rid of barrels of lanterns and have sticky restaurants. To memorize the ancient point Qiyuan, people celebrate the Dragon Boat Festival on the 5th of the 5th lunar month. It's a tradition to eat zongzi and have a Dragon Boat race. The Mid-Autumn Festival arrives on the 15th of the 8th lunar month. People get together to eat moon cakes and appreciate the bright full moon. If you are lucky enough, you may see kangaroo and rabbits on the board.
After the introduction of China, I hope you can enjoy it. Besides, we are also interested in something about you.
Do you wonder what the questions are? Let's see what Helen will say.
Hi guys, we are just finished our midterm exams, but we are going to have another exam within 1 month.
Just say the question, please.
Okay, so our question is, what subjects do you have exams for? Do you have to prepare for it so long?
Otherwise, we have many activities recently. For example, the 3-line poems competition. What about your class or activities?
So, that's our questions. Looking forward to your answers.
Hello, I'm Crystal. Hi, I'm Christina. Hi, I'm Epic. Hi, I'm Miranda. Hi, I'm Agnes. We are group 5, and please allow me to show you our questions. Here we go to the first question.
Our first question is, what's your most important goal during your high school period? Goodbye.
Nowadays, our students are under too much pressure, and most of it comes from our study pressure. And my final aim is the final exam. And how about you? As you may know, we got the only child policy, so nowadays most of the families have got only one child. We do not have brothers or sisters. At home, we do all the things by ourselves.
So we really want to know what it's like to have brothers or sisters in your life. We are all looking forward to your reply.
Hello, I'm Mia. So much for the Q&A section. So it's been an unforgettable time making this video for you guys.
I'm Tasia. As the time is limited, it's about to say bye.
I'm Yolanda. As you can see, in this busy city, we have us, class 2. We have all those amazing food like hot pot, etc.
I'm Blue. We also have various festivals and really different school life compared with yours.
I'm Josh. So at the end of the video, we have a surprise for you.
Hello, wherever you are you addicted to our food or really amazed by us? Today we do it big and shine like stars. So what about you guys? Cause that's just who we are. Hope you guys can get to know our life a little bit, and we do look forward to shooting a glance at yours. Stay tuned for the next episode, and we'll return in a month. Bye.